YouTube, this your boy Chevy Addict with another video. Today we about to unbox this, install this, y'all. Y'all wonder what this is, so stay tuned to find out. All right, y'all. Peace.
Recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy addict. Yeah, man. Do what you love, and love what you do. If it's more than a habit, be a Chevy addict. Ain't it, man? I gotta be great, making the earthquake and windows shake. 418s make it scream, or rocket come real cool and slide through. In the cut is old school, on 24s. You know what I mean, man? It's a Chevy thing. Do what you love.
All right, y'all, back to the unboxing. We got this right here in today. $35, y'all. So let's see what this is, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy y'all day. Man, your boy just hit 9K. Yes, sir. 9K, baby. We here. Yes, sir. Came nice and packaged, y'all. Look at that. Bubble paper everywhere. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, I like that. Instruction manual. Da-da-da. My little ends for it. Little hardware. Some lag bolts. Trying to pull this out. Well, I'm sorry. A little piece of my end right here. Let me go ahead and take this out the plastic too. These two pieces right here. I already got some of these, but the more the merrier, right? Some more pieces for the wall. And I got my own bolts already. I'm gonna use these bolts right here on it. So that's the bolt I'm using. Go ahead and pull this out. All right, y'all. Y'all see it right here. Y'all see it right here, y'all. Good, light and compact. I can't remove this. Make a clean little look, right? But I'm gonna get on the wall my way. All right, y'all. This right here is a air compressor hose reel. Locks in. Pulls. They say pull gently, right? So I'm pulling gently. There you go. It's good. It's a total of 50 feet. So I'm gonna cut you back on to show you how I'm gonna mount this at, y'all. Peace. All right, y'all. We back, y'all, with the other half of this video, y'all. So stay tuned. Keep on watching. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button for me, y'all. Let's get to 10K. All right, y'all. Let's go. We'll put this right here. I'm gonna mount this right here. So be right beside my air compressor. And we'll have some airline. Some move that right here. I already got one of my bolts started right here. So I'm gonna use this right here. Fish it in the hole. Right here. Put this on the wall. Right here. I'm gonna bring my compressor over just a tad to help me balance this off. So I'm putting it right here on this wall. Right here. So let's do it. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, y'all. Actually, I'll tell you what, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these bolts they sent me out the plastic, right? I'm gonna use these bolts instead. Where they at? They over here somewhere. Here they go right here. So I'm gonna use these bolts on this wall. But I might have to find another socket to fit that. So give me a minute. I'm trying to get it started. So I can see. I'm trying to see, do this washer fit my pieces I'm using? Well, I might convert back to the same piece I was about to use. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. You go straight through it, y'all. So let's get this started, y'all. Let's get this started. 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 All right, I'm gonna cut you back while I get it started. All right, y'all, I'm back. Got it mounted on the wall now, no problem. But I'm trying to go ahead and connect everything now. To show you the last part of this video. I'm gonna put my camera outside to show you how long this cord is. So give me a minute, y'all. I just wanna make sure it can reach my tires. That's what I'm trying to see. So that's what I got it for, the tires and this power drill I got. I'm sorry, this air drill. I got to set my camera like right here. So let's see how far it go. Stop right here. So I can get to all my tires, no problem. Stop right here at my front tire. I go all the way around my truck with it. All right, y'all, I'm at the front tire on the driver's side, y'all. I get to all my tires with no problem, y'all. That's a win. That's a win. That's a win. All right, y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all back inside the shop to show you me retracting it up so I can get all the way back. I can get all the way over to my driver's side tire. That's a plus, y'all. So that's what I needed. That's what I needed. Yeah. Got that done. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna reel it in. I'm thinking about moving my compressor a little bit too. Be honest with y'all, I'm thinking about moving my compressor too. All right, y'all, let's get this thing out the way. All right, y'all, yeah, here we go. Y'all see what it's doing, right? Alright. I could adjust this right here if I want to. Bring it down. How you want to do it. But just know this is a win, y'all. So let's go ahead and connect this thing. Because I'm gonna move my compressor over anyway, so I'm gonna move it at least like right here. So I can get that total distance of this cable right. This is the cord that plugs into this piece here. Yeah. That's I might stretch it a little bit more, tell you the truth. But it's just for this video. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and I wanna say connect this piece to this piece. But we gotta take first though. No leaks, right? So let's get it done the right way, not the wrong way. I'm gonna Teflon tape on it. Like, I'm sorry, whatever kind of tape this here. It's not Teflon though. All right, go all the way around. Bring this up, get it real good, y'all. Get it. All right, that might be enough right there. I'm going one more time, tight, and all the way around. There we go. All right, I'm gonna take this piece. Let me see this right here. There we go. I'm gonna take this off too and reseal this again too. I'm gonna take this out, screw it on here. All right, it's on there. There. I'm good. So now I'm gonna take this piece, what they sent me, the air duster. Take this piece out too. I'm gonna mount this piece on this piece here. I'm gonna take one around it, nice and snug. this piece and run it over here. A little bit more tape. Put it right here. Alright, that's it for that piece. Lock this in. I got my pliers ready. There you go. Use this piece here. For this end right here. It's in there locked, so let's try it out. Alright, are you ready? Here we go. What's up? We got it working, y'all. So that's it for this video, y'all. So like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget the hype, y'all. Peace.